Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the Express Checkout button like PayPal or other payments providers from the checkout page on your Shopify store using a web browser. If you want to streamline your checkout or just prefer not to show this option, I'll walk you through the steps. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your credential. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So once logged in, you'll be on your Shopify dashboard. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Settings. It's right next to the gear icon. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. Just click in here. This is where you'll find all the payments methods available for your store, including PayPal and other express checkout options. As you can see, I don't have an account activated, but you can follow my instructions and you'll be good to go. To remove the express and checkout button, follow these instructions. Under the payment section, find the express checkout option you want to remove, such as PayPal or express checkout. Next, click on Manage next to the provider. And scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Deactivate button to remove that express checkout method. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Deactivate again to finalize the removal. Once deactivated, the express checkout button will no longer appear on your store's checkout page. You can test this by going through the checkout process and ensuring that the PayPal or other express checkout buttons are no longer visible. After removing the express checkout button, make sure you have other payment methods enabled like credit cards, payments, or alternative providers so customers can still complete their purchases. You can manage and add payments options in the same payment section. Just click on Add Payments and you can search by payments method or search by provider. Just enter the keywords in the search bar and you'll find your provider. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Express Checkout button from your Shopify checkout page using a web browser. If you want to add this back in the future, you can always reactivate it and you're good to go. If you like this video tutorial, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.